Dear colleagues and friends, I am Pepe Zamorano, one of the co-directors of Madrid Imaging Valves 2024 with PCR Group. In fact, let me introduce some new things that you will find in our program for next year. We will have two separate slots, one for the heart valve clinic and the second one imaging inside the cath lab. In each of these slots, we will have 4 episodes: aortic valve, mitral valve, tricuspid valve, and multivalvular diseases. You can select what is most interesting for you, is imaging in the heart valve clinic or imaging inside the cath lab. You may also just follow a track: aortic track, mitral track, tricuspid track. And for sure, don't forget that we will have, as last year, different workshops, hands-on, where you can prepare all your questions and ask the experts and also find your skills. We will be willing to see you in Madrid very soon.